Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's me Shan, and today we are going to visit Kiwi Vineyard, and it's my first field visit from the College of Horticulture. So let's go and explore Kiwi Vineyard. So guys, finally we have reached our destination. Let's go inside and check out the kiwi fruits. ये जो प्लांट्स यहाँ पे हम देखेंगे अभी, ये सारे जो प्लांट्स हैं ये तब ग्रो किए गए थे इन 1985 जब यूनिवर्सिटी बनी थी. एट दैट टाइम दीज प्लांट्स वर ग्रोन एंड now the age of these plants are basically 40 years and still the production rate of these plants is so good. The quality of fruit, it's so good. And kiwi plants have so much of medicinal benefits. Kiwi plant is very rich in vitamin C and it boosts our immunity. And as sir told us that Himachal Pradesh is the first state जहाँ पे commercial cultivation of kiwi fruit हुआ था. And it's so beautiful all around. I mean, it's greenery all around. It's so peaceful here. So now we are going to visit the second kiwi vineyard जहाँ पे अभी recently grown plants उगाए गए हैं, मतलब जो जिनको ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं हुआ है उनका प्रोडक्शन रेट और भी अच्छा है as compared to the old one. I wanted to pluck the fruit but we were told by the sir that fruits pluck कोई नहीं करेगा because यहाँ पे PhD वाले students का research चल रहा है. So finally we are going back to the main campus. एंड ये सारा यहाँ पे जो है ये टीचर्स हॉस्टल वाला एरिया है और यहाँ पे बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल है, मतलब जो यूनिवर्सिटी का कैंपस है वो बहुत ही पीसफुल है. सो लेट्स गो बैक टू द कैंपस. So thank you guys for watching this video. Have a nice day.